How to change username in TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. After that, you need to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok, from where you will be able to see the TikTok videos. So in order to change your username, you have to tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner and you'll be able to see your profile. And here you'll be able to see edit profile option, so you have to simply tap on that and all of your information will be available over here. In order to change your username, you have to tap on username option and a text box will be appeared where you can erase your username and enter the new one. After entering, you have to tap on save option in the right upper corner and you have to go for set username option. You can change your username once every 30 days. So after next 30 days, you can change it again, and by doing that your username will be changed. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need any videos on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.